Hello students, in this video we will be solving problems from exercise 8.2. The first question says evaluate. The first problem is sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. To solve this problem we will have to know the trigonometric table. So while solving such problems you may refer to the trigonometric table for now, but you need to know how to remember the trigonometric table as taught in the video describing the trigonometric table. So starting with the first problem, sin 60 degrees. How much is sin 60 degrees? Sin 30 degrees is 1 upon 2. So sin 60 degrees is root 3 upon 2. Cos 30 degrees on the other hand. Now cos 30 degrees is also root 3 upon 2. Plus sin 30. Sin 30 we know is half, and cos 60 is also half. So now root 3 into root 3 gives us 3, 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 2 is 4. Since the denominators are the same, we can add this 2. So we get 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4, which is equal to 1. So the answer to the first problem is 1. Our next problem is 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Tan 45 is 1. So 2 into 1 whole square, because this is tan square 45. Cos of 30 is root 3 by 2. Since this is square, this whole thing will become square. Minus sin 60 is also root 3 by 2. The whole thing is square. If you notice, these two are the same and they cancel out each other. What we are left with is 2 into 1 whole square. 1 whole square is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. And that is our answer for this problem. The next problem is cos 45 degrees upon sec 30 degrees plus cosec 30 degrees. Cos 45 degrees is 1 upon root 2. Sec 30 degrees. The way I remember sec 30 degrees or cosec 30 degrees is sec is opposite of cos. So cos 30 degrees is root 3 upon 2. So sec 30 degrees has to be opposite of that or reciprocal of that, which means 2 upon root 3. And cosec 30 degrees is opposite or reciprocal of sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees is half, which means cosec, which is the reciprocal of sin, has got to be 2. This then we need to get our LCM. So 1 upon root 2 will remain that way, and this will become 2 upon root 3. So if we had to get the LCM, it will become 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3. The next step is to convert it from division to multiplication. So when we want to do that, we will keep the numerator part, that is this top part, 1 upon root 2, the way it is. And when we multiply, the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator, this way. Okay. Now we'll just write down what we've got over here. So we've got root 3 on top equal to sign we'll put over here, divided by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now first thing is I want to get rid of this root 2. So what I do is I multiply root 2, because I will need to rationalize the denominator. So I'll get rid of this root 2 first. Okay. And for that I just multiply the numerator and denominator with root 2. So this will get root 3 into root 2, and this root 2 will multiply with root 2 and we'll get 2 plus 2 root 3, this way. Now in between these two there is 2 common for both these terms. So I'll take this 2 out, get root 3 into root 2. You can even multiply this thing, root 6 you can call it. And if you take 2 out, it will be 2 into 2, and what is left inside is 1 plus root 3. Okay. So now I want to get rid of the root sign, so this entire term has to be rationalized, which means we need to do it 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3, top and bottom. This is how we need to do it. Now root 6 into 1 minus root 3. Remember, the sign has to be changed when rationalizing in such operations. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 will give us 1 minus, this is a plus b into a minus b. This will give us 1 minus 3. Okay. Then this will give us root 6 into 1 minus root 3, whole thing upon 4 into 1 minus 3 gives us minus 2. Okay. So what I'll do over here is that I'll take the minus sign out from here. In fact, the minus sign from the denominator has to go to the numerator. So this will be minus root 6 into 1 minus root 3, whole thing upon 4 into 2 is 8. So to get rid of minus sign, all I have to do is I have to put this back into the bracket. So when I put this back into the bracket, positive 1 will become negative 1 and negative root 3 will become positive root 3. So this will become root 6 into root 3 minus 1, whole thing upon 8, and this is our answer. We can actually go further and simplify this if we want. So root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2, whole thing into root 3 minus 1 upon 8. Okay, root 3 into root 3 will give us just, I'll keep this root 2 this way to simplify, make it easier for root 3 into root 3 gives us 3, and root 3 into minus 1 will give us minus root 3, whole thing upon 8. Now if we simplify further, it will become 3 into root 2. Root 2 into minus root 3 will give us minus root 6 upon 8. So that is our final answer. Okay. So that is how we solve this problem. Our next problem is sine 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosec 60 degrees, whole thing upon sec 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees plus cot 45 degrees. It is important we know the trigonometric table to solve such problems. Sine 30 degrees is half. Okay, so I'll put this, remove this bracket, plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosec 60. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. So cosec 60 degrees is reciprocal of that, which is 2 upon root 3, whole thing upon sec 30 degrees. What is cos 30 degrees? Cos 30 degrees is root 3 upon 2 and sec is reciprocal of that, which means it is 2 upon root 3 plus cos 60 degrees. What is cos 60 degrees? Cos 60 degrees is, cos 60 degrees is half, because cos of sine of 60 degrees is root 3 upon 2, cos of 60 degrees is half, plus cot 45. Cot 45 is also 1, same as tan 45. Tan 45 is 1, reciprocal is also 1. So we need to take the LCM over here. That means the LCM is going to be 2 root 3. This is in the denominator. So this will become root 3. This will be 2 root 3 and this will be just 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Whole thing upon 2 root 3. Similarly for here, this also will be 2 root 3. This 2 will become 4. 1 will become 2 root 3 and this will be, this will become just root 3 and this will become 2 root 3 and it will be upon 2 root 3. 2 root 3 cancel and what we get is root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4, whole thing upon 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Solve it over here. Now root 3 and 2 root 3 can be added, and we'll get this as 3 root 3 because the irrational number is the same, minus 4 whole thing upon 4 plus root 3 plus root 3. 2 root 3 and root 3 adds, so we'll get 4 plus 3 root 3. Okay, so have a look, it's quite similar. What is there on the top and bottom? 3 root 3 minus 4, and this is 4 plus 3 root 3. Now we need to rationalize this thing, which means we'll have to multiply this thing into 4 minus 3 root 3, and this will become 4 minus 3 root 3. So next we'll have to multiply. If you have a look over here, they are almost the same except the signs are opposite. Here there is negative 4, this is positive 4. Here this is positive 3 root 3 and this is negative 3 root 3. So if we take a minus sign common over here, it will come to the same. We'll take the minus sign common from here, so that we have 3 root 3 minus 4 at both ends. If we take minus sign common, we are left with 3 root 3 minus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay, whole thing upon, and here this is a plus b into a minus b, so this will be a square, which is 16, and b square is 3 into 3 is 9, and 3 root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 9 gives us 27, so minus 27. We've taken minus sign common over here. Now this we can write as 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square minus 16 minus 27 will give us minus 11. Minus and minus cancel, and we'll have a positive 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square upon 11. Now this can be expanded further. This is a minus b whole square, so a square, which is 3 root 3 whole square, minus 2 into a, that is 3 root 3, into b, which is 4, plus b square, which is 4 square, whole thing upon 11. Let's see what we get. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, and 3 into 3 is 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. 24 root 3, and this will be give us 16. Okay, upon 11. That 27 plus 16 gives us 43 minus 24 root 3 whole thing upon 11. That is our final answer. The final problem of this video is 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 sec square 30 degrees minus 10 square 45 degrees whole thing upon sec square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. So 5 into, put a bracket, cos 60 is half, so that means half, and that's square, plus 4 sec square 30 degrees plus sec 30. Cos 30 degrees is how much? Root 3 upon 2, so sec 30 degrees is 2 upon root 3, and that's square. 10 of 45 is 1, so 1 square, whole thing upon sec 30 degree. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 upon 2, so sec is reciprocal of that, 2 upon root 3 whole square, plus cos 30 degrees is root 3 upon 2, so that is also square. So now we first open the bracket before multiplying this 5. We can't multiply directly, the bracket has to be opened. So half square it is, so that will become 5 into 1 upon 4, plus similarly over here 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3 into 4 minus 1 whole thing upon, here 2 square will become 4, root 3 will become 3, plus here root 3 will become 3 and 2 will become 4. Now we need to solve this further. So this will become 5 upon 4 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1 whole thing upon, here if we take the LCM, this will become 16 plus 9 upon 12. So we have to take LCM over here in the case of the numerator, and that is going to be 12. So 5 will be multiplied by 3, will get 15, 16 will be multiplied by 4, we'll get 64, and 1 will be multiplied by 12. Whole thing upon 12 divided by 16 plus 9 is 25 upon 12. 12 cancel, and straight away 15 minus 12 is 3. 3 plus 64 is 67. 67 upon 25 is our answer. With this we solve 5 problems and question number 1 from exercise 8.2. If you have liked this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever new video is posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.